Okay, let's see this thing in action and let's get cooking with gas. This is the AT&T EL55219 cordless telephone. This is one of the phones that I picked up um, 2 years ago. Great phone to talk on, by the way. But there's a little problem with the battery. And let's ring it up for you now.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Jesus, Lord have mercy. I hope you enjoy that. That was definitely a feedback freak show. And it was hilarious. Hope you enjoy. My ears, though. Jesus freaking me. And as you can hear, the message alert tone is beeping. Have a great day, guys.